Hi, so in today's video I've got an idea for a card using just 2 stamps out of these stamp sets. Now I'm going to be using the tiny butterfly from the Beauty Abounds, which is from the new Spring Summer catalogue, and it can be found on page 13. And I've already cut my butterflies out to save some time, but there is a thinlet set that goes with them that will cut this butterfly. So the stamp set is £21 and you get 13 cling photopolymer stamps. And then there's the thinlets dies, which you can buy on their own at 36, but if you buy the two together as a bundle, it's £51.25. So I'm using the butterfly out of that set. And then I'm using the hearts out of the Forever Lovely stamp set, and this is £20, and again you've got 13 photopolymer stamps. If you bought this stamp set at £20, this stamp set at £21, that's £42. If you made your order up to 45, you would qualify for a free item from the Celebration catalogue. Alternatively, if you bought this stamp set and the dies, that would take you over the £45 and you could choose a free item from here. So Celebration is on until the 31st of March 2019, and for every £45 you spend in Stampin' Up product, you get to choose a free item. There's also a fantastic joining offer on at the moment. You get £170 worth of product for £99 if you want to join my team. All the details will be in the description directly underneath the video. So, as I say, I've already cut the butterflies. I've stamped them and cut them, which I'll show you in a minute. So I don't need that. And I'm going to use the hearts out of this set. So I'm just going to put the hearts onto one of my clear blocks, and this is a D block for anybody that wants to know. I've got a piece of A4 Whisper White thick card, which I've cut directly down the middle on the short side, scored and folded it. Now what I want to do, I want to put my design just going kind of in a diagonally. So what I'm going to do is mask off an area of my card. I'm just going to de-fluff it on my trousers a little bit, and I want to, I'll put it there, and I'll get another piece. I don't know about you, but I only ever really use washi tape for masking. I never really use it as decoration. I know lots of people use it on cards. I tend not to. Let me know in the comments if you use it on your cards or if you just use it like me for masking off. So I kind of think I'm going to go something like that. And I'm going to try and keep my design in this area here. Now, because this is photopolymer and they don't have any cushioning, I am working on my Stampin' Up grid mat. And I'm working with 3 colours of ink. So Night of Navy, Balmy Blue and Flirty Flamingo. And, you know, these are my little homemade ink pads. There is a video on my channel showing how I did this. If you look in the Stampin' Up playlist, you'll find all the details. Obviously you can use the full size ink pads, it's just I prefer the smaller ones. So I'm going to try and keep my stamping in this area here. So for the first one, I'm just going to stamp once, lift it up and then stamp again without re-inking it, just to make it a little bit faded. I'm going to clean my stamp. I've got my Stampin' scrub here on the side, all misted up, ready with Stampin' cleaner. And now I'm going to go to the Balmy Blue. Another quick clean. Just light tapping, that's all you really need. And now I'm going to come on this side. I'm going to press, hold it for a few seconds to let the ink take, and then press again without inking. So we've kind of got first and second generation stamping. I'm going to go to my Flirty Flamingo now. I hope you're able to see this okay, because it's a very bright day here today and the sun is beaming in through my glass roof. Right, so now I'm going to come up here. I'm going to stamp once, lift off, and then stamp again. And then I'm just going to give that a clean. And put it away. And there is also a tiny, tiny little set of hearts in this stamp set, which are here. So I think what I might do, I've not made this is just being made now, so I've not got any, you know, not had any practice or anything like that with it. I'm just doing it and seeing what happens. I think I might fill in with another colour. Might use Crumb Cake, I think, which is a kind of neutral. So I'm just going to ink this up and then just fill in some gaps, I think. I think that might do. That's all I need. You can see the tiny little stamps. Just put the lid back on that ink. Right, so now I'm going to peel away this washi tape. And hope that I defluffed it enough that it's not going to rip my card. If you do it gently and pull it away flat rather than trying to rip it up like a band-aid, hopefully it will be okay. So that's how I'm looking so far. Now I'll bring my little butterflies in, which I've already cut. And my idea was, I was thinking about placing the butterflies kind of scattered through these hearts. So I think I'm going to bend them in the middle so that they kind of lift up a little bit. Just putting my fingernail in the middle. turn them over and I'm going to put them on, I think, with some glue dots. So I'm just going to get a little glue dot and kind of wad it up a little bit into a, I want the blue ones first. So I think I'll have one there. One there. And we need some kind of a, I need some kind of a greeting going on it in a few minutes. So let me just find the next ones. So that's how it's looking so far. And I think I'll have maybe wishing you a lovely day. Okay, so to save a bit of time, I've put my wishing you a lovely day on a D block. I'm just going to ink it up in Balmy Blue, which is one of the colours I used. I'm stamping it on a 2-inch circle, which I'm going to mount up on a 2 1/4 inch circle. So that's how that's looking. I'll just put some and I'll position this on the card. Okay, so that's how it's looking. So again, some simple stamping and another little simple card, all made from product from the Spring Summer catalogue. Please give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you don't already do so, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.